I'm so excited to bring you the weekly tapping circle where I guide you and others in using EFT tapping to reduce the stress and anxiety in your life. I'm going to help you release trauma, emotional pain, physical pain, as well as limiting beliefs so you can feel better, experience peace of mind, and use more of your energy to focus on what you really want to be creating in your life. I'm so passionate about tapping because it is hands down the best stress reduction technique and trauma release method I've come across in my over 16 years of counseling and coaching people. Tapping has gentle techniques that can help you safely and quickly process what you're going through. It's also backed by science, and it works even if you don't believe in the method. Hi, my name is Penny. I'm an intuitive counselor, wellness coach, and EFT tapping practitioner. I help you heal anxiety, trauma, and emotional issues that are preventing you from feeling good. Every Saturday at the Weekly Tapping Circle, you can join me and others online for 1 hour where I guide you in using EFT tapping to help you heal a particular theme or issue. Some of the themes that you can anticipate are reducing stress and anxiety, releasing phobias, releasing trauma, releasing anger, releasing depression, managing and releasing physical pain, collapsing limiting beliefs, manifesting your desired relationships, and more. There will also be weeks where the theme for the Weekly Tapping Circle will be open. If you have a theme or issue you would like me to cover, please let me know. In addition to the guided tapping, I will also incorporate visualization, meditation, and other therapeutic tools to enhance your healing experience. During the circle, you'll have an opportunity to volunteer and receive my direct counseling and coaching in helping you heal your particular issue using tapping. When we do this in the group environment, everyone receives boring benefits. Boring benefits means that you experience relief from your own issue while tapping on someone else's. The Weekly Tapping Circle is on every Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time and 9 a.m. Pacific Time. The first one starts this Saturday, March 4th. When you sign up, you'll receive a link to join the session through Zoom video. Alternatively, you can also participate by phone if you wish. I'll announce the theme or issue that we're going to cover every week through my newsletter and social media, so be sure to get on my email list or social media to find out what we'll be focusing on. If you join my email list, you'll receive a bonus. You'll get a copy of the self-care toolkit I created for you, where you learn some of the tapping basics and a few more excellent must-have stress reduction strategies. Healing is not always easy. Sometimes it can feel isolating, uncomfortable, and have very challenging moments. You're not alone. Join us at the Weekly Tapping Circle and let's tap together as I guide you in using EFT tapping to help you reduce the stress in your life, as well as help you heal emotional and physical issues. You'll find the links to join the Weekly Tapping Circle as well as the self-care toolkit in the description or bio. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you there.